Okay, we're going to do a sound check here, and we're going to do this with the new Gio. Okay, so let's do a little bit of background loop here. Okay, so got this Ibanez Gio back from Long and McQuaid, and I couldn't get it to play in the first couple of frets, so they had to adjust the truss rod and did a whole bunch of work with the frets, and now I can get it tuned and I can play the whole neck without any buzzing and everything. Really happy with this Ibanez. I love the neck. It is maple, and it really has really nice playability and a real nice feel to it. The fretboard, there was some, I guess it was glue, residual glue, when they redid the frets and adjusted the neck. They cleaned everything up. I really like these shark tooth frets, and I find it really easy to find some of the notes, especially in the upper neck, which I'm just starting to learn in the second octave up here. It has a dual humbucker design and a really nice bridge on here, and volume and tone, and it's a 5-way switch, and it varies between the two humbuckers and which rows and magnets they pick up. And really happy. It's not too heavy. I think it's about 5 pounds. I know my Godin is around 8 pounds, and this feels really light in comparison. It's a mahogany finish, mahogany with a walnut finish, and I really like the striping, if you want to call it that, almost looks like a mapley kind of design with the finish. But yeah, really, really happy with it, and with the new strings, and I'm super glad that they were able to adjust the neck, so the playability on this is just fantastic. All in all, I have absolutely no complaints with this baby, and I'm really enjoying it.